Hey everybody, this is Tony with BlessedTravelVacations.com, and today I'm on the Carnival Mardi Gras. Come check out our balcony stateroom, and if you are considering coming on the Carnival Mardi Gras or the celebration or the upcoming Jubilee, make sure you give us a call. Go to BlessedTravelVacations.com, and don't forget to subscribe and like our videos. Thank you. This is Tony with BlessedTravelVacations.com, and today I'm on the Carnival Mardi Gras, the first Excel class ship the Carnival has. I'm in room 12409. Let me walk you through the room here. This is a regular balcony room. This is a balcony room for two, occupancy two. You have three actually. So as you walk in, you'll see that you actually have a closet here that is configurable. So something new that we're seeing that they're doing on some of the newer ships, the shelving is configurable. You can actually pull those down or pull them up, and you can adjust it based on what if you got a long gown, or if you've got just a lot of little bags or whatever, you can definitely do that. You do have at the bottom here, you do have a shoe drawer that you can open up, and you can store that in, and it has a soft close, which is really nice. It also has these baskets here, so you can put clothing in there, and plenty of hangers, which I love. You've got your in-room safe here, so you can lock things, put your wallet away, you're not gonna need it. You've got your hooks there. We've got some more storage here and a full-length mirror. So again, you got a full-length mirror there, along with completely configurable shelving. I really like the way they're doing that. Again, it just gives you a lot more versatility in how you want to configure your storage. So you have more stuff put away, just the room looks nicer and easier to work with. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna make a hard left here, and you've got your toilet and your storage there. You've got a couple towel hooks. So pretty standard, similar to what we saw on the Carnival celebration. And of course, they're sister ships, so they would be. You've got some hooks here, so for clothes, backpacks, hats, you name it. As you walk in, you've got your sofa, you've got your pool towels, you've got some nice reading. So again, the sofa does turn into a bed. So if you've got occupancy of three, they've got a reading light there. You've got a refrigerator down here. You store your waters, sodas. You can store that there. You've got a nice working desk here. They were awesome enough to give us some goodies here. You've got some shelving. What I like about their drawers is they've got a soft close, so even if you close them really hard, they're gonna softly close. You've got a little chair here, or a seat, that also can double as a little table here, and then you have additional storage. So with these cabins and staterooms, it's really important that you have as much storage as possible. You do have some USB ports there. You've got 4 USB ports, so plenty of charging stations. You've got the LED lights, which is really nice, soft lighting on the mirror here, so as you're getting ready. That's really great. Got your bed here, that's your 2 doubles that turn into 1 king size bed. And again, you've got USB ports on either side, as well as individual lighting here, okay? And then again, that could shift and move. You got your USB ports, plus you can turn your lights from the room on and off right here. You've got a nice flat screen TV. And I love Carnival's beds. They're really, really comfortable. This has a wonderful view. So again, it's a balcony stateroom. You've got to close this here so that the air conditioning will stay on. It's a nice balcony. We really like this balcony. It's right in the middle of the ship, which is what I really appreciate. So it's going to have excellent views of the Caribbean as we go down and sail down to the Caribbean. Excellent views. All right, everybody, so this is Tony with Blessed Travel Vacations. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like our videos. We appreciate the wonderful support. We get calls all the time, and people messaging us through social media, through our Instagram channels, or just giving us a call and saying, hey, thanks for the videos, we appreciate it. So the best way to thank us is by subscribing and telling your friends about us. And then if you are looking to book here on the Carnival Mardi Gras or the celebration, or even the upcoming Jubilee, which we can't wait to get on that ship, just give us a call. Go to BlessedTravelVacations.com. You can message us right on the website, and let us know that you're looking to book on a wonderful cruise, and we'll book something for you, okay? All right, everybody, have a blessed day. Enjoy the sea.